Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing a new skincare brand that I've been trying out for the past week or so, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I've tried a couple of skincare brands, and I actually really do love skincare, but also my skin is very sensitive and complicated, and for me sometimes it gets a little hard to figure out. So I have this new company that I'm really excited to share with you guys because it is the exact products that a person like me needs. So if you have really sensitive skin and have been on the market for skincare that is pretty simple, I definitely recommend them. So this company is called Earthen Skincare. So I'm gonna have the name pop up somewhere on the screen. So Earthen Skincare sent me their entire kit, and I've been trying a couple of their products, actually most of their products. I think I only didn't try one. So there's only like one product out of this entire kit that I have not tried, but I will definitely be up to updating you guys in the future. Definitely in the description box, so check it out. I'm gonna go through each product so you guys know. So first and foremost, the only thing that I didn't try is their instant peel, the natural solution. And it looks like this. I actually didn't even open this because I just haven't done a peel on my skin in a very long time. So I just haven't done this as a peel. I've done peels like with an esthetician before, but I haven't ever done a peel on my own, and I don't really use like peel pads and stuff like that. I just think sometimes my skin is very sensitive, and I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been taking great care of it. I mean, before I started using these products. So I didn't want to just go in with like a peel. I know that's probably what I should have done, but I just didn't want to do that. But I will be updating you guys in the future about this. But I got this in the kit. So this is a peel, and it is naturally formulated to peel away dead skin cells, debris, and impurities, revealing your skin's natural glow with youth and vibrancy. Your skin texture is dramatically improved and becomes more radiant with each use of instant peel. That's the first thing I want to say about the products that I've noticed. Across their entire skincare line, I've noticed that their products are pretty much like natural, and I love skincare products that feel really like light on the skin, and also you don't smell a strong fragrance, because you'll be surprised at how much skincare products actually has like perfume in it or fragrance in it. Like, it's really crazy. I know there are some skincare brands that have like essential oils and stuff, and that's fine because essentially that's still natural. But there's a lot of skincare brands that actually have like perfume in their products. And so the first thing I notice about these products is that they don't have any kind of scent to it, and I love that because that makes me feel very sure and safe, and I can wear it, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show you guys clips of how I used everything, and this is a skincare routine that I've been on for the past, I think it's actually been 2 weeks. For the past 2 weeks I've been using Earthen Skincare, and my skin honestly feels nice. I didn't break out, but I did have a little mishap, and I'll explain why. So this is their cleanser. This is the Vegan Daily Facial Cleanser, and it is a foaming cleanser. If you have, let me make sure you guys see the name, but I'm also going to be showing clips, so it doesn't matter. So if you have combination skin, you definitely always want to use a foaming cleanser, but overall foam cleansers are probably the best cleansers for any skin type. It doesn't feel heavy, it really cleanses your skin, and what I love about most foam cleansers, especially this one, is that it doesn't strip your skin. So sometimes after certain cleansers you can feel that your skin is like, it kind of feels like squeaky clean. You do want your skin to be squeaky clean, but not to the point where you just feel like your skin is just super duper dry. And I love that this one doesn't like necessarily like strip all the good oils from your skin. Or there's also those cleansers where it leaves it like a little bit like it already has moisturizer in it, and I also don't like those. Those are like the oil cleansers. I don't think that it works for me, especially not in the summertime. So foam cleansers are always like my favorite ones, so I'm really glad that they have a foam cleanser that actually came with a clear top, but it fell somewhere, and yeah, it doesn't matter. But that's actually my favorite product from this entire line is their cleanser, because some cleansers also I do have to use it a little bit like twice. Even foam cleansers that I've used in the past, I'll have to use it twice. And this one does the job in just one shot. So when washing your face with this cleanser, the first thing you want to do is get your skin nice and wet. And then you're going to start using, I think I use about 2.5 pumps, and then you just massage it in small circles all around your face, and you do that for about 30 seconds. And then after that, all you're gonna do is rinse it off. And then I like to pat dry with a paper towel, because paper towels have no bacteria on it, and it's just, you're better off than using like a rag or something. So after that, sometimes I will go in with the Repair and Lift Serum, which is this one right here. So this one is basically like, it's just like a nourishing serum. It actually came in this box right here, and it is an anti-wrinkle moisturizing serum concentrated with ultra effective peptides that work together to moisturize the skin and thereby minimize the appearance of unwanted wrinkles. Now, what I love about the serum, I don't use it every day, but whenever I do use it right after cleansing my face and before I use the moisturizer. So what I love about this serum is that it's not super oily and greasy, and that's why I am able to use it right now. But sometimes if I don't want too much products on my face, especially now for the summertime, it'll change. In the winter, I'll probably use this almost every day. But it's not like, it's very like absorbing, like the skin absorbs it. And I can say that it's because the first ingredient in this serum is water, and that's usually what you want to look for, because water helps things kind of like melt into your skin, and that's what you want from a skincare product, especially, is for things to kind of melt into the skin instead of it being like it's kind of sitting on top of the skin, which a lot of skincare brands actually do have like oils and stuff to be in their products, and then essentially it does not moisturize your skin. So my skin likes this serum, and it soaks it in right away. So I really like this serum. The next step that I use is their eye cream. So they sent me 2 eye creams, but I've been using the clear #1 with Haloxyl. I hope I'm saying that correctly. So this eye cream helps to reduce the appearance of darkness around the eyes, and that is usually like one of the problem areas that I have, is that I do get really dark circles because I don't sleep well. So I really love this eye cream. This eye cream, you guys are gonna see that as soon as I apply it, it just gives my under eye a really nice glow. I don't know if it necessarily helped too much with, actually it did, because now that I'm looking at my makeup, usually I'll still have like a little shadow because I don't color correct or anything. So I usually still have a little shadow of like darkness under my eye, but this cream, I can say what it definitely has been doing is moisturizing my under eyes. And actually I use it all around my eyelid and everything, and I really love this eye cream. I have not switched it out at all. So Clear #2, which is their other eye cream, it reduces the appearance of eye puffiness and it moisturizes the skin and stuff like that. I think I actually tried this once, but I prefer to focus on the dark circles, so I've been using the one for dark circles more. So the next thing I do, they sent me 2 moisturizers. So this one is the Instant Cellumoist Moisturizer. This one is for normal to dry skin. And then the Instant Peptide Moisturizer, which helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So I don't necessarily have like a lot of wrinkles or anything like that, but I really love this one. So this one's the one I've been sticking to. So I just usually dot this around my face, and then I massage it into my skin. I like to really pat it, and again, this one has the same technology as the serum, so my skin really soaks this one up, and my skin really likes this. So this and the serum together, especially for nighttime, is my favorite go-to thus far. So the serum, the Instant Cellumoist, I don't know if it's for my skin. I'm gonna have to try this again in the winter time, because I started off by trying this particular moisturizer. I don't know, for no reason in particular, it's just like, let me just grab this one, and I tried this one, and I think I was trying this one for about 3 to 4 days or so. And what I found is that my face just felt a little too oily. It felt really heavy, because this is for people with normal to dry skin. I have combination skin, so my T-zone was getting super duper oily, and that's usually when I'll start breaking out if my face gets a little bit too oily, especially with having to wear the mask and it's really hot outside. So when it comes to these kind of moisturizers that are more on the hydrating side and more on the oily side. I really like them in the winter time because I do have eczema and my skin starts to get really dry in the winter time. So I do like this for the winter time, but right now I'm just staying away from this one because this one is really, if you have dry skin, this one is definitely the one for you. Like, you guys are gonna love it. But for me, in the summertime, my skin is already a little bit like oily, I guess, like a little bit more oily than usual, especially in my T-zone. So that's I just wasn't bonding with that moisturizer as of yet. But I really love the Instant Peptide Moisturizer. I feel like I have been on a sprint this entire video because I'm trying to give you guys all the information about all the products that I've used and about this skincare brand, because I actually really do like it. And I was just in the market for getting new skincare products, so I have a bunch of skincare that I am actually reviewing for you guys, so stay tuned. But this one is definitely a go for me if you have really sensitive skin, and if you, whatever you have, like normal, dry, combination, there's definitely a product for everyone in this line. Because even the things that didn't work for me, or like just the moisturizer that didn't work for me, I think it'll work great for others that have like drier skin and that need that extra moisture. But I really love Earthen skincare because it feels like they have really nice clean ingredients. And usually what happens with skincare is that my skin will start breaking out, and I'm very sensitive to certain, like, I don't know, it'll just be like one bad ingredient in there. And so far so good with this company. I wanted to wait a little bit before I actually reviewed it for you guys, because it usually does take about a week for my skin to start like reacting. Like, if I was going to break out, I would have broken out already. And that's why I switched out the moisturizer, because I kind of felt like I started getting, because this is my nose is probably like my oiliest part of my skin, and I started getting like little random like bumps around there. And I think it's just because it just had way too much moisture, again, with the mask in the summertime in that particular moisturizer. So I definitely would say, if you guys are in the market for skincare, to try this one. It's not mainstream, so it's not gonna just be in your face all the time with different ads and stuff. So this is definitely like a hidden gem, and I really like this skincare brand. So I want to thank Earthen Skincare for sending me their products and putting me on to some good stuff for my skin, because that is something that I don't pay a lot of attention to, but I do love my skin and I do want to take care of it. And I love that I can do it with just like 2 products or 3 products, a 3-step system that works for me. So it's simple and the ingredients are great. So thank you, Earthen Skincare, for sponsoring this video and for also sending me this package. All their information is going to be in the description box below. If you guys would like to check it out for yourself, I definitely recommend. If you have combination skin, then definitely get the products that I've been using, because my skin has been glowing. I know you guys seen the clips. My skin actually looks so refreshed after I used their moisturizer and everything. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!